You can confidently wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite footwear. You'll save time that you used to spend cleaning shoes by hand. I'll show you step by step how to do it so your shoes stay clean and well maintained. First, take a plastic bag, roll it up, and put it in the washing machine. This will prevent your shoes from banging against the drum. Now grab your favorite dirty shoes and apply toothpaste to them. Don't worry, toothpaste cleans and removes stains perfectly. Next, put the shoes in the washing machine next to the plastic bag. Add a scoop of laundry powder and select a gentle wash cycle. After the cycle is finished, take out the shoes and see how great they look. Leave them to dry, but make sure to dry them away from direct heat sources. This will help them maintain their shape and avoid damage. Now your shoes are clean and ready to wear.